Hi everyone, today we're exploring the COMFELIE Wireless Bra for women, designed for seamless support and ultra comfort. Made from buttery soft BareSmooth fabric, it's Oeko-Tex 100 certified, ensuring it's free of harmful substances. The TrigonalForm structure provides soft, wireless support with excellent tension on the underband for a perfect fit. Featuring TensileCup technology, the molded cups stretch and recover to adapt beautifully to your body curves. This bra includes breathable semi-fixed pads that adjust easily after washing for long-lasting comfort. The distraction-free 3D printed label eliminates irritation, making it ultra comfortable to wear all day. With a flattering low V-neck line, this bra enhances your natural shape and fits perfectly under any outfit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.